Okay, go back to a point, the sacred bolt. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, good. What we're gonna do, we created a spell. So we want to remove all that. You can keep it, but I don't, because I prefer add it by by triggers. I always use triggers for everything, so duration. Okay, instant. This will be a target lock. Target lock spell. Cast range. We're gonna put 900 to throw all our bolts to targets. Hero abilities. Oof, we can just let it as a unit ability. Check dependencies. No need. Channel. Okay, good. We have all spells with a good naming and all that. I'm gonna add an icon. I don't know the name. Yeah, this one should be fine. No need. We're gonna go to the triggers for the spell. We're gonna start by show the entire map. This should be easy casting the spell. Disable black mask. Okay, good. Now we're gonna create all spell. Sacred bolts. Should be a shockwave as ability. Okay. This one. So now we're just creating the spell section, and now we're gonna jump into the code. I have a little application there where I can template my triggers. This you're gonna see make the work easy. Bing. Good. And this is done. Like that. Everything's already done. I'm gonna work here with Visual Studio. Here is the template of code I need with the globals, the spell ID. So this is a default template that I create with my application. It's quite funny and very useful thing to see that. Okay, sacred bolts. We're gonna get the exact code of that shit. Doo-doo-doo. 4000, je suis très bien. En vrai. Okay, so we have there a little template of code. First of all, yeah, the racket man. Putain, FDP. Après, lui, il est à chaque fois sur le stream. Okay, good. I'm gonna have that. we're gonna download that bolt from bins. Okay, it's there. Okay. It is there. Okay, good. Oh shit. Okay, good. And import all files from documents, effects, suffix. Good. Like this, we have all really awesome special effects. I'm gonna put that here. Oh, craft 3 maps, not editor. We're gonna, oh, this one's gonna be right in there. Okay, this is you because we need that, and we need all that. Yeah, then. Perfect. Oh, everything is ready. I'm gonna add to unit the good spell. Huh? We don't need all that. We're gonna use one spell, you know. This is good. Abilities, loans, cold life, duration, don't care, mana cost 50. Like this, we're gonna have the time to cast a few times the spell. So sacred bolts. It's ready. We're gonna try the code now. So in the code, we're gonna need two things to start. The triggered unit. This is the unit that casts the spell. Cast the spell, so this is important. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, perfect. This is it right in there. This is the code. We're gonna need the coordinates of the spell. keyboard, so it's not that easy. So now, that shit now. So this is gonna be the coordinates of spell. Good. And these are coordinates of orchestra. Unit X, unit Y, of caster U. We're gonna need the group. For group section, I have a template 2 for that, so this is gonna be easier for us to clean that shit. This is a library for alloc a new structure, so it's important to add it. There, just need to copy paste it in your map. No need to do the things. Okay. And now we go back to our spell. Good. Good, like that. We're gonna need to add an area. $450. Okay, good. That's just done. Okay. Okay. We're gonna need a few new numbers. We're gonna need an interval. This is the real. That's the duration of the timer before each action. We're gonna put 0.5 for example. This is gonna be the speed of all bolts. I'm gonna put this. There is no rank. This is the group we're using to get every units in the area. It's gonna be funny. Okay. Okay. It's gonna be funny. All that. This is part the step. Interval. The speed. This is gonna be the speed that the bolts will travel each time the timer ends. Each time the timer expires. Okay. Okay, good. We're gonna put a special effect. A special effect is gonna be really good. The string, the bolt's path. For the moment, I can add directly the good special effect, explosive bolts. These I imported from the Hive Workshop website. good. They are workshop websites. Now we're gonna put the size of the bolts because I'm gonna want to change it. One. This of course is a real. Okay. And the spear will look like that. Okay. And the spear look like that. I'm gonna see if it's well imported. Yeah, that one. This is gonna be great. We're gonna send these bolts to all these little men. I got my ability. It's only a matter of time. Okay. And now the 8 of the bolts of the special effects. It's like 50. Okay. Right in there. Okay, good. So we're gonna want all the units near the we're gonna put we're gonna put all the string you see here. 2 boxes. This is for me to have my different pieces of codes like this function. Make sure to open them. We're gonna open another file to get all the 2 boxes I have in that map to make our life easy. Okay, yeah. All these are functions I use to get easy things about Warcraft 3, like that. Calculate all the stuff I want. So okay, this is gonna be funny. Okay, private function is alive. We're gonna have this. I'm gonna take that and maybe a magic union and is in its enemy. Not dot p, but p. Okay, pathing durability. Okay, so this made like that. Okay. We can create 1 bolt for each enemy found in the area. Position of the caster. And now an angle. I'm gonna pass the label. Okay, yeah. Like this. If it needs new level. Okay, 150. level. This is gonna calculate the damage of the spell. Okay, good. We're gonna have one damage. The level. Unit ability level. Okay, you spell ID this. The spell. The ID of the spell that we're gonna cast. And this we're gonna pass the damage. Okay, good. Sacred bolts. Sacred bolts are coming. You can just put all that. Okay. The way it leads to, I'm not sure. Good. We just calculate the angle between the target, that is U2, and the caster. Now we're gonna go to a section there. And in that section I get my struct. That name is bolt. It's not a single structure, it's temporary. Okay, good. This is pretty good. Just put that here. We say we need a unit X. And the damage. Okay, targets. I need, of course, the target. I missed it. Forgot it. Good. So now, manage bolts. Okay, I need the caster target real X. The duration, no way, don't need it because there's no duration. It's only a bolt. It will target. It will target after a certain duration when it touch it. So now we're gonna put the damage. The caster, the target, the damage, the special effect, of course. This is not anyone's not. I have a problem with effects. That's the problem, yeah. The caster, the target, the coordinate of the bolt, the damage, the special effect of the bolt, and down. This will be a boolean to say when the spell is to be stopped. The caster, the target should be nullified. The same as the special effect. Then we're gonna delete the bolts. Goddamn, this key and not really easy to use. So now we're gonna go back to creating struct. Okay. After that, we'll just target every unit in the area that we're targeting. So now we're going to create an instance of the struct bolts for each enemy target. We're going to create each enemy up. Preload the effects. Effect bolt path. This is gonna be the effect of the bolt. Okay. That right in there. is going to be the rack and down. Je m'en fous parce que moi je m'amuse. Ah oui, je me ferai. De toute façon, c'est du mapping, c'est ce que je fais quand. C'est ce que je fais quand je la mets pas aussi. Ouais, de bonne heure. Ok, yeah, rack it down. Alors, on a caster, target. This is just to remind them. I won't let it there. Beta x equal x, the coordinates of the bolts when it starts, and y. Damage and damage. SFX. For that moment, we're gonna create the SFX separately in the method because they have a few things to add. SFX. Okay, we're gonna need that. Okay, we're gonna spawn the bolt SFX. Put it there. Normally I use a function. Okay. But now I'm gonna show you all that stuff. I'm just using. Okay. So this has created effects. That is a fix. Effect bolt, path, bolt aids. Effect bolt size. And now with the U. Good. Spawn bolt SFX facing. We have and we got a staff. Here it is. We're gonna try to see if good now. Okay, so it's not getting any play yet. Okay, there are still a few bugs. Interval is there, so I can still do that. Beta's down. Okay. Leave the main edge bolts. check one thing, that the target is still alive, because if it's not, the bolts have to be destroyed by yourself, because the target is already died. So I don't use that kind of function, but okay, you need states, get you in states, not targets, you need states life bigger than 0.405. Like this, we're sure all targets will be still alive. God damn, that keyboard just pissed me off. Okay, and if it's not alive, then it's set to true like that. This will stop the bolts and destroy the special effects. And then, if it's still alive, we should move the bolts. Okay, good. So now it's quite the special point of the game. So we're gonna try and crack it down. Eights, and this is the eights. Okay. Dot x equal dot x plus cos 8. Pop. I don't know if you all know the trigonometry. Okay, dot x dot 8. And the U should be the angle. Okay, the distance of unit, we're gonna put that behind because I don't want that to change. Okay, good. So we'll just copy paste all that. This is the way you can track them down. is scoped and private, so you have no problem with that. You just set the stuff, and the spell will work, or whatever you would say, you know. Distant point. So the coordinates of the spell and the coordinate of the targets below equal to up. This means you are or not. I'm gonna get another function because all that I don't know every parameters. I don't want to lose that magic damage. Private function magic damage. Gonna put an amount of damage to a unit with a normal attack type that is spell and damage type fire. So now when bolts hit the target, we're gonna just apply a damage. Caster the damage said before. Here it is. Okay. I'm gonna put all that with a private function because I don't write that. Okay, got it. This is gonna be private for all of us. So now we have all magic damage. We're gonna start, we have everything that is set. We're gonna try your spell now. Sacred bolts, sacred bolts. Okay, good. We're gonna put a spell there. And now we're gonna fix the bugs. Good. Function, indicate function is alive. Oh, good. Okay, gonna cheat a little bit. Okay, good. And now we can use the is alive here. Okay. Is alive. Good, perfect. Next error. Function best it's not yam. What is yam? Is just really tasty stuff. This is yo. The angle, the direction of the special effects. Now, undeclare via X. What reason is it in the cloud? Yeah, it is. It is truly because we are in a struct, and in a struct it is a private variable dot x and dot y. The only one is the a because the a is passed there by parameter. Okay, function null filter. Goddamn. Function null filter just return true. Okay, we're just gonna create it. This is the filter that is in the group, and that will filter if the unit really should be cast or not. Return true. Everybody is gonna feel pain with that spell for that reason. Now we're gonna see if we just debug it. Wow, only one. And you can't have damage. No, it's dot damage in the spell because it's a private variable. What is this thing? Damage. Yeah, it's in the bottom. Damage does not exist. Okay, we're gonna add it. Yeah, because in the what it in the code, if the variable does not have a dot there, but it's declared as a private variable here in the struct, it will still find it, you know. If I remove the dot damage, it will say, okay, it's damage there. But I prefer putting the dot because when you look at the code, you know what is private and what is not. Get damage, level. This is just a function that is put it there and that will calculate damage in function of the level of the spell that is here. Okay, so now we're gonna put the triggers, all the triggers there. Good, writing there. Yeah. Ooh, it passed. So now we're gonna try. Sacrables, sacrables. Na 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 na. Okay. So the meaning of the spell is that we're gonna fire arrows in every unit's enemies that is in that area. Wow. This works really well. Oh good. I know why. Shit. Okay, I know why. Because it's not an initializer. Shit. I should have put an initializer default. Goddamn. I forgot. Okay. There it is. There it is. There it is. Na 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 na. Okay, we're gonna try it now. This is the initializer. It needs to be called only once to make sure the trigger is set. Okay, if you don't do it, it's not created. Okay. Yeah, this works a lot. So this is a custom spell, you know. Just fire bombs to it. Like a racking Yeah, so this is a little spell. We can add a special effect on the target. We're gonna add just this on the target. So we're gonna create one. We're gonna call it custom path. Okay. Okay. And this is the attachment. And this is gonna be an origin one because it's the base of the caster. And this good man. We're gonna find all special effects that is on Sacred Lights. Abilities. I don't know. this is good. This is perfect. You know, we're gonna just add that like this, easy way. Change all that. Okay, if I want to see the difference in a trig, I'm gonna show you all what it is doing. So, little demo about what is going on. Okay, this is not really interesting, so we're gonna just copy paste it in. Okay, we're gonna add on special effects on the targets. You effect caster path. Attachment. Good. This is funny, you know. Good, perfect. Now we have that. Good. We're gonna try it. So this is the spell. I would like it. Good. Now we're gonna save and we're gonna try a spell. This is gonna be funny. I think this will be funny. Okay, let's try it. After we all cut it, I'm just gonna try it. There it is, the hero. Okay, you're just casting the spell in the area. Boom! Yeah!
Puisqu'il le faut. Fort bien.
Yeah, no motherfucker kill a man watching. Oh! No, the motherfucker is watching.
Parfait. Il me tarde de
Yeah,
Fort
you're
bien. Parfait.
a piece of shit.
Puisqu'il le faut. Il me tarde d'y être. Puisqu'il le faut. Fort bien. Parfait.
Good.
Fort bien. Je vous écoute.
I'm gonna try again.
Alors,
This is
Est-ce
good.
qu'il le faut?
Yeah. Phew.
il me tarde d'y être.
Yeah, this is funny.
Parfait.
It goes really
Il
at
me
a good
tarde d'y être.
speed.
Parfait.
So here is the spell. We just cut it in line
Puisqu'il le faut.
together.
Fort bien.
So if you have a question or you want to see the code, I can explain more what it's doing in the code. You know, all that made the spell that we cut it. If you have other idea for the spell or suggestion, should be funny. Tell me.